Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Xiaomi 13T Pro co-engineered with Leica. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 87.5% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 446 ppi pixel density, and with 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Leica main wide-angle camera with aperture 1.9, along with 50 megapixel Leica telephoto camera with aperture 1.9, and with 12 megapixel Leica ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. Rear camera also features Leica lens, HDR, LED flash, panorama and video recording up to 8K at 24 fps. For selfies it has 20 megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, features HDR, and video recording 1080p at 30 fps. With punch hole at the center on top of the screen. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1X ARM Cortex-X3 up to 3.35 GHz, 3X ARM Cortex-A715 up to 3.0 GHz, 4X ARM Cortex-A510 up to 2.0 GHz, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, paired with ARM Immortalis G715 MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, and no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75.7 by 8.5 mm, and it weighs around 206 grams. And the color options: black, meadow green, alpine blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-screen fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, with stereo speakers and a USB Type-C charging port, NFC, and IP68. Dust, splash and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi 13T Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 234,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 13T Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.